The heading for hearing serial number 16, Nagendra Chaudhary versus Uttar Bihar Kshatriya Graman Panchayat.
But this case has come on remand from the Honorable Supreme Court in Lord. Earlier, this writ application was disposed of by the order dated 18th of August 2019, and that order was challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court in Lord. Lord, I have prepared a list of dates and events, Lord, which I am submitting before Lordships. This matter relates to departmental proceeding against an employee working in the, at that time, Lord, he was working in Siwan Kshatriya Gramin Bank. Lord, on 28th of July 2001, while this petitioner was working as branch manager of Sajjanpur branch, he was placed under suspension in contemplation of a departmental inquiry. On 1st of March 2002, a memo of charge was issued, which is annexure 2, page 56 of the writ application. Lords will kindly see the memo of charge. It does not contain any list of witness or list of documents. Now, my Lord, on 1st of March 2002 itself, by a separate order, inquiry officer and presenting officers were also appointed. Now, my Lord, on 26th of March 2003, the inquiry officer submitted his inquiry report. The inquiry report, my Lord, though it is in Hindi, it has been discussed in English, my Lord, in para 9 of the writ application with regard to each and every charge. Because for each and every charge, though the inquiry officer has said that it is partially proved or proved, but in the content itself, he has given a finding that there is no material to prove the charges. But even he has given a finding that it is proved. Now, my Lord, without issuing any second so-called notice, on 12th of May 2003, this petitioner was awarded with punishment, and the punishment against the petitioner,
what is the punishment?
Punishment is reversion to the lowest scale of pay of rupees 7,100.
Reduction?
Reduction to the lowest scale of pay. At 7,100. 7,100 rupees, my Lord. It is 7,100 and withholding all the increments till 2008.
Huh?
And withholding all the increments till 2008. Till 2008, my Lord, all the increments were not.
2008?
Yes, my Lord.
How can it be 2008? Punishment is 12/5/2003.
Yes, my Lord. But it says that उन्हें किसी भी प्रकार की वेतन वृद्धि मई 2008 तक दे नहीं होगी. इसके बाद नियमित रूप से प्रतिवर्ष वेतन वृद्धि दे हो. So the reversion to the lowest scale of pay and further a stoppage of increment till 2008, and thereafter
That means 5 increment has been withheld.
five increment has been withheld. The other aspect of the punishment that it was held that he will not be given with any independent charge.
Huh?
He will not be given with any independent charge for a period of 10 years. He was, the power with regard to sanctioning of loan was also seized for a period of 10 years. And further, with regard to charge number 9.
Then you have been given clerical post.
No, in the officer scale itself, my Lord, I was placed in the lowest scale of pay. In my lowest scale of pay, basic scale of pay. And Lord, with regard to charge number 9, the issues related to 24 loanees, and it was said that I sanctioned loan irregularly to them, my Lord, and rupees 4,000 per month was directed to be recovered from SL. This is the punishment, my Lord,
What is the recovery amount?
Rupees 4,000 per month.
For how many years?
Till the amount is recovered.
What is the amount?
The amount was rupees 4,88,000.
4 lakh?
88,000.
It was not recovered from the borrower.
It was said that it was not recovered, but later on it was recovered from the borrower and the bank refunded the amount to me.
So you are not aggrieved by 4,000 recovery.
That has been returned back to me.
Returned on what date?
It was, my lord, a part of the amount was paid to me, my lord, on 16/6/2016, and remaining 80,000 was paid on 31st of March 2017. Now, my lord, I preferred an appeal, my lord. That appeal is Annexure 6, page 105, my lord. On 16/12/2004, the appellate authority rejected my appeal, my lord. Then I preferred a review. Though, my lord, in the statute, in the rules, there is no provision for filing of review. Even I filed that review, my lord.
A review?
Review before the reviewing authority, my lord.
There is no provision.
There is no provision in the rules. Now, my lord, while my review was pending, a departmental note was prepared for consideration of the case of the petitioner sympathetically as against the outstanding loan of 2,98,000. The petitioner has already suffered monetary loss of rupees 7,33,827. This was the note prepared on Annexure 9, page 107.
No, last with reference to penalty.
The penalty is, my lord, punishment order is Annexure 5, page 86, my lord.
No, sir. What is this? 7,33,820.
It was a note prepared for consideration of the reviewing authority, my lord. It was an internal note.
No, he doesn't have power. Where is the source of power for him to examine?
It came into my notice, my lord. We brought it before your lordship, my lord. No, my lord, I am not on that, my lord. Now, my lord, this petitioner superannuated on 31st of March 2017, my lord, and thereupon, my lord, this order of the Honorable Court and the remand order, my lord. My submissions are threefold, my lord. The memo of charge.
Earlier you have approached this court.
This writ application itself, my lord. This writ application earlier it was disposed of for consideration of my review application, my lord.
Disposed on what date?
10/2019.
It was.
You are not given those things in your dates and events.
Yes, my lord. I have mentioned.
Where?
My lord, if your lordship will kindly come to second page of my dates and events, my lord.
Yes, second.
Third row from the bottom. On 18/10/2019, the writ application of the petitioner was disposed of with a direction to the chairman to dispose of the review filed by the petitioner. On 31st/12/2019, the review was rejected by the reviewing authority. The petitioner.
Who has filed a respondent filed review?
Petitioner filed.
The review which I had filed, my lord. That.
What is the review number?
That review, my lord. That review before the departmental authority. That is not review of this learned single judge order.
No, review authority rejected your review.
Yes, my lord. That rejected my review, my lord. My lord, I had preferred an SLP against the order dated 18/10/2019 disposing of this writ application, my lord, and that SLP has been disposed of, remanding the matter.
What was the direction on 18/10/2019?
That order is.
Where is that order?
That order will be the part of the record, my lord. It is.
Where is the Supreme Court order?
Lord.
Why you did not prefer LPA?
Not that I was not the advocate on record at the relevant time, my lord.
What?
At the it was the
Huh?
client who went to directly to the Supreme Court, my lord.
The respondent have taken such objection before the Supreme Court.
They have participated in the proceeding, my lord, and after granting of the leave, that order has been passed.
Where are the rules?
My lord, the rules are Annexure 1. At that time, my lord, it was Sivan Kshetriya Gramin Bank. Annexure 1, page 27, my lord. And the relevant
What is the date of framing charge?
date of framing of charge is, my lord, 1st of March 2002.
When this was this bank was redesignated?
It was redesignated on 2006.
Huh?
On 1st of March 2006. And your lordship will kindly,
This is the new set of rules.
my lord, the new set of rules.
Sir, the power has been retained.
My lord, I have
Sorry,
not.
I have the rule, but I have not got.
We are also sorry. What is this?
I was that the same rule. The rule was there, therefore.
Sir, you can't depend upon that.
I question.
You must point out from the new set of rules that whatever the action taken in the Sivan Kshatriya Gramin Bank would continue. Where is that?
My lord, may I submit one thing, my lord?
Without that, we can't go further.
My lord, one thing I would like to submit, my lord. Actually, this regional rural banks, my lord, are being guided by NABARD. And NABARD, my lord. And NABARD has issued a manual guideline for conduct of departmental proceeding in
Depending on the respondent bank.
because it is for the purpose of compliance by the Reserve Road Bank themselves, my lord. In fact, I obtained under the RTA, my lord, and I have been provided.
It's not relevant. You give us the Uttara Bihar Gramina Bank rules.
Then, my lord, it may be passed over. I will be. My lord, though my submission are only threefold. The documents are not with the memo of charge. The second so-called.
My submission is without rules. I can't decide.
I'm sorry.
Second, perusal of the records, it is evident that initiation of inquiry is on 1/3/2002 by the then Sivan Kshatriya Gramin Bank under the relevant disciplinary regulation. Sivan Kshatriya Gramina Bank was stated to have been merged with merger merged with the Uttar Bihar Gramina Bank and others. Uttara Bihar Gramina Bank. So, in order to ascertain whatever the action taken under the Sivan Kshatriya Gramin Bank disciplinary regulation to continue after merger of the aforesaid bank in Uttar Bihar Gramin Bank or not is required to be examined. Therefore, the respondents are hereby directed to produce copy of the disciplinary regulation in respect of Uttara Bihar Gramina Bank employees / officers. Next week or 2 weeks?
I have the rules in mind.
Next week. You have not filed a counter affidavit before the MPhighcourt?
I'll seek instruction in this in the meantime also.